Oh, here we are down at the local boat launch. The marina owner just called me this morning and says, hey, I'd like to put your boat in this afternoon or tomorrow morning if that's all right. I asked him what the river looked like. He hadn't been by, I hadn't been by, and from the looks of it, there's some ice. Some chunks here and there. Shouldn't be too bad. I'm going in over there by that building. So I'm just going to go downstream with the flow of the ice and just kind of meander through it. And we'll go. So he's going to launch me right now. I live over that way. And yeah, so let me get back to this real quick and we'll get underway. Ooh, front tire is dry.
Not as heavy as a dually.
No, not quite. He usually does this with a big F450 dually.
Right in the water.
Slow and steady. Front tire keeps locking up. You got bad. I'll get on. I'm not worried about that. Remember I did that 34 Sea Ray in Buffalo with my truck?
Oh yeah.
Same thing, sliding down the ramp.
When did we do that?
A couple years ago. That was with my V10.
Did I have like a broken truck or something?
Yeah. Jim, you're in my movie. That's good. I'm gonna get on and fire this thing up. So I just got past all the ice. Ice seems to be in the center of the river over towards the Tonawanda side. This is Grand Island side where the marina is. And we're clear here. Looks like there's just one piece up in front of us. And that seems to be about it. And right around that bend right there is where I go in. So looks like I got a pretty clear shot. I'm not gonna put it on plane or anything because there's lots of stuff that's just below the water line. A lot of you know, big logs and stuff that are soaked and just under the surface of the water. So I'm gonna just take it easy. We'll get in the marina and then I'll get back to you. Okay, just almost there. Right there is the opening of the marina. Right on the other side of that wall. Pretty easy coming down here. Just had to go through that patch of ice. Wasn't a big deal though. And right over there is where we went in. If you remember from my dog walking video, Porter went under that bridge coming this direction. So that's how far away I live from my house. About, let's say 2.5, 3 miles, I think it was. So, pretty awesome. So, hopefully we're gonna have a great summer this year. God knows we had a horrible winter, but spring is looking promising so far. So, I don't know, set you up here and see if we can get this. If you care, I don't know. I like docking boats, so bring you into my marina. Show you what it looks like. Oh, turn the music down. Don't want to get yelled at. So the last video I took, I think we were here. I was here with the dog. Porter and I were walking around, and you could remember there was still a little bit of ice in the marina. What's today? Today is the 12th, I think. We were down here. I think that video one was from the first, and that was about 1.5 foot of ice. Then the next, I think, was 8th or 9th, and now the marina's completely empty. No more ice, so it's perfect. Ice boom hasn't been lifted yet. When it does, the river's going to be completely packed from side to side with ice, and you won't be getting boats out then. So this is perfect timing for me to get it in, get it safe into my slip, and whatever other work I need to do on it before we start enjoying it can be done in the water. Slip is over here. Right over here. Let's see what we can do. See out the back, okay? Yeah. Got a fly fisherman in front of me here. Ooh, the water's cold. Even though it's fuel injected, doesn't like to stay idling when the water's this cold. Fuel injection on a boat isn't like in a car. It's a little primitive, but still haven't even given it a tune-up this season. Like I said, I wasn't planning on going in the water for at least another couple of weeks, but he called me last week and said he wanted to put me in sooner rather than later, and then today out of the blue he called me and said let's go. So we're going. Backing into my slip here. Slide her back within the 4 or 5 inches from the dock, and we're good to go. Of course, I can't see it, but it's probably close. Yep, it's close. We gotta go tie up. Here we are. I think I can probably get a little bit closer. It's about I don't know, 13, 14 inches away. Usually you like to get around 6 for the dog and the wife. Well, here she is in her slip, ready to go. Bottom paint went on. I still got to change that boot stripe. I just didn't feel like doing it this year and didn't really have time either. So, but it's in, and as you can see, I'm first. And I forgot to bring beer. Damn it. Oh well, I'll get it later.